If your projects keep stalling because cutting curves feels messy, loud, and unpredictable, this video is for you. A good jigsaw is the tool that turns, I hope this works, into clean, confident cuts. Today, we're counting down the top 7 jigsaws that help you cut smoother, safer, and with way more control. All the links are in the description so you can check out the current prices. Let's dive in. Number 7. CC. When you want cordless freedom without feeling underpowered, having a jigsaw that actually keeps up is a big deal. This pick is for home projects where you bounce between rooms, the garage, and outside, and you do not want cord snagging on everything. That is where CC fits in nicely. It comes with dual batteries so you can keep working instead of planning your day around charging. That matters when you are mid-cut on a piece of plywood and you just want to finish the job while your measurements are still fresh. What makes it beginner-friendly is how much control you get without extra fuss. The variable trigger speed lets you slow down for careful curves and speed up for straight cuts. Add the orbital settings, and you can choose cleaner finishes or faster material removal depending on what you are building. Tap the link in the description to check it out. Number 6. Dongcheng. If you want a cordless jigsaw that feels more like a serious workshop tool, this is a strong step up. It is built for people who want stable power, better efficiency, and the kind of control that helps you cut cleaner without fighting the tool. Dongcheng is a great match for bigger DIY builds and light professional work. The brushless motor is the big lifestyle benefit here because it helps the tool run cooler and more efficiently, especially during longer sessions. That means fewer "the tool feels tired" moments when you are cutting multiple pieces for a project. It also gives you a wide speed range, which helps you match the cut to the material. When you slow down for metal or careful cuts, you get less chatter and more control. When you speed up for wood, you get faster progress without feeling like you are forcing it. Small conveniences add up. Dual LED lights help you stay accurate, a dust blower keeps your line visible, and toolless blade changes make switching tasks easier. Check out the link in the description to see more. Number 5. Makita J03Z. For anyone already on a battery platform, the best upgrade is often the tool that fits what you already own. This pick is for people who want a lighter, more refined jigsaw that feels balanced in the hand and stays comfortable during longer projects. Makita J03Z is all about smooth control and clean results. The big win is how it feels while cutting. Less vibration and lower noise make it easier to stay on your line, especially on curves or detailed cuts where small movements matter. That comfort translates directly into cleaner edges and fewer do-over cuts. Being part of the Makita 18-volt ecosystem is also a practical advantage. If you already have compatible batteries, you can expand your tool setup without buying into a whole new system. That saves money and keeps your workspace simpler. Makita's protective battery communication features are designed to help prevent common issues like overload and overheating. In real life, that means the tool is less likely to bog down or feel inconsistent when you are pushing through a tougher section of material. If you liked it, check it out by clicking the link in the description. Number 4. Porter Cable. If you want cordless convenience but prefer a straightforward tool that does not overcomplicate things, this one is a great fit. It is built for homeowners who want reliable cutting, easy blade swaps, and features that help you stay accurate without a steep learning curve. Porter Cable hits that sweet spot. The dust blower is more useful than it sounds. When your cut line stays visible, you stop drifting off your mark, and your curves and corners look cleaner. It is especially helpful when you are cutting plywood or anything that throws a lot of dust. Tool-free blade release also keeps the experience smooth. You can switch blades quickly when you move from rough cutting to cleaner finishing, which helps you get better results without slowing down. The variable speed trigger gives you the control you need for different materials. You can ease into a cut, stay steady on a curve, and avoid splintering by not going full speed all the time. I've left the link in the description. Number 3. Craftsman. If you want reliable power that never asks about battery levels, a corded jigsaw can be a stress-free choice. This pick is for people who do projects in a garage or workshop and want steady performance for long sessions. Craftsman is a strong option for consistent cutting without surprise downtime. The variable speed trigger helps you stay in control, especially when you are cutting tighter curves or working on thinner material. That control is what keeps edges cleaner and reduces the chances of the blade wandering. Orbital settings give you flexibility based on what you are cutting. You can choose a more aggressive action for faster cuts in wood or back it down when you want a smoother finish. That matters when you are building furniture, shelves, or anything visible that needs to look clean. For more opinions, see the link below. Number 2. Makita J04Z. This jigsaw is built for woodworkers, cabinetry work, and anyone who wants clean, accurate cuts with a compact, efficient tool. Makita J04Z brings power and precision together in a very user-friendly way. The brushless motor is a huge advantage because it helps the tool adapt when the material changes. In real use, that means it can feel smoother when you hit a denser spot, and it helps extend runtime on the same battery. You get multiple orbital settings plus straight cutting, so you can switch from clean finish cuts to faster rough cuts depending on the job. Pair that with the speed dial, and you can match the tool to the material instead of forcing one approach. Convenience features make it feel premium. Toolless blade changes, a comfortable 2-finger trigger, and dual lights that keep your line visible. Those details reduce mistakes, especially when you are doing careful work. Did you like it? In the description, you can find the link for more details. Number 1. Bosch. This is the pick for people who want confident cutting across a wide range of materials, with smart controls that help you dial in results instead of fighting the tool. The biggest everyday benefit is control. You get both a speed dial and a variable trigger, so you can set a maximum speed and still feather the trigger for precision. That makes it easier to start cuts cleanly, stay steady on curves, and avoid tearing out the top surface of your material. The sturdy footplate adds stability, which helps your cuts look more professional. When the base stays planted, the blade tracks better and your lines stay true, especially on longer cuts. Orbital action settings let you choose between faster progress and cleaner edges depending on what you're doing. That flexibility is what makes it feel like one jigsaw can handle a lot of different projects, from rough construction cuts to more finished DIY work. Tool-free blade changes keep you moving, and the overall build is designed to handle tough use. If you're interested in this model, the link is just below. Well, that concludes our review of the 7 best jigsaws you can get right now. If you are interested in any of them, all the links are in the description. You can check the current prices or get a deal. And hey, there's also a free trial of Amazon Prime. 30 days, no shipping costs, faster delivery. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more top picks like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.